So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Ondo Finance, trying to figure out if the market is still weak, because that's the current idea that we have on the chart right now for Ondos, for the prices to continue to go lower. But you can see that the market in Ondo, at least the buyers did, came and supported the price right here at our buy pocket that we created twice. So maybe we found the bottom in Ondo. If so, then we need to get rid of this price prediction and then try to play the market move higher. Welcome everyone to the channel. This is what I do. I do price predictions in a simplistic way. If you guys want to learn more about how we're able to give you all this viewpoint of looking at charts, then I definitely will recommend that you all come and subscribe to the channel. All right, so let's go ahead and break down what's been going on in the market for Ondo since we did this price prediction, which was on October the 16th. Here it is, the 27th of October. And the market really hasn't done too much outside of it just really trading within a range. See that? That's pretty much all it's been doing. So the market also, as I stated in the beginning of the video, we got proof that we still have buyers coming into the market in Ondo here and here. Okay, so we still got that happening. And not only that, we got sellers showing us here. And then we got sellers also right here today. And both of them on today's price action, as well as the one on the 21st of October, you guys can see that price did hit that first sell pocket that we created as well. So we can see where the battle lines are being drawn between both participants in the market. We can tell where they're trying to sell. We can tell where they're trying to buy this cryptocurrency. So like I said, not one side of the market actually has a massive edge to where we can feel comfortable in saying, hey, the market looks like it wants to go up or down. We have to continue to allow this market to wash itself out between who wants to take control of the price. Now here is Ondo on the 2-day chart, and currently we'll have to give the market edge to the sellers because we can see the market currently closing off of the highs. Okay, you guys can see it right there. Market currently is closing off the highs in Ondo, which represents that the sellers are currently ones moving the price. Now, you can see from the close of that current 2-day price bar that it is currently higher than the prior 2-day price bar. That could be bullish, but we still got 43 hours, excuse me. We still got 43 minutes left before this current 2-day price bar ends. So if it closed higher than the prior 2-day price bar, then we may have to say, okay, maybe those buyers are a little bit more in tune with not letting price go completely down because they didn't want to do it on the last 2-day price bar. You guys can see that the close is currently making a higher close than the prior 2-day price bar right there. Okay, now look at this on the 3. Nothing too much to explain here on the 3. We have 42 minutes left, and again, it's kind of like a wash. Okay, so we're just going to move on. Look at this on the 4. Nothing too much to explain here outside of that the sellers look like they had a little bit more control, a little bit more power, a little bit more oomph to actually control this price and move it down. Here it is on the 5. Same thing here. So all of these time frames, the price bar is about to print. Okay, we have 42 minutes on the 2, 42 minutes on the 3, 42 minutes on the 4, and 42 minutes on the 5. So everything's going to be dependent on how we close on those time frames. So without that, let's go ahead and look at the market in Ondo on the 11-hour chart. And currently, I'm not too enthused that the market is bullish yet. We got confirmation that sellers are still here within this sell pocket, just like they shown that they was here at this time, and then they also showed us again that they was there at this time. So this is the third time that we've seen the market in Ondo get rejected right there around 78 cents. So now what we need to see now is these buyers profiting around 72 or around 71 cents, either here or here. That is the area that I'll be paying attention to see if the market is actually going to prop itself up. Because if it does, then it means that the market isn't finished with deciding who is going to move the price. But if we do see the market in Ondo break 72 or 71 cents to the downside, then yeah, we may actually see the market in Ondo make a bigger move lower. Here it is on the 5-hour chart. Okay, so nothing too much here. Like I said, I may go ahead and create, let's go ahead and create it I want us to create a buy pocket here, just to let you know that I told you all about this potential area to see a bounce. And this will be a point to where we'll go ahead and let this prediction go. Okay, if we see a market bounce off this pocket around 72 cents, then yeah, we'll go ahead and let it go and let the market in Ondo continue to make higher prices. Now, let me show you the reason why I'm saying that. It's because you can see right here on this low, Ondo is making higher lows in the market. Okay, and this would be a great point for us to see a new low set place, letting us know that the market is currently being moved by the buyers. So if that happens, then yeah, we'll cut the prediction right there, maybe have a little bit of profit, break even, and then we'll try to look for that market to continue to run up. All right, so now here it is on the 5-hour chart. Same thing to pretty much what I said on the 11-hour. Here it is on the 3. Okay, so that's the only thing I'm waiting for. If that doesn't occur, i.e. we don't see the market bounce off this pocket, then we need to anticipate the market to come and test this buy pocket that we already seen buyers hit. Okay, here it is on the 1. So yeah, definitely look like the market's going to try to go a little bit lower. I can see it on the 1-hour chart. It's one area higher for a buy pocket there on the 1 hour. It's a buy pocket right there. Let me lock this. No, let me lock the prediction. Okay. So it's about right here, around 73.5 cents. It's right there on the 11-hour chart. All right, so now rather than me just sit and talk for the next 15, 25, 30 minutes, let's just put this back on ice. We're not going to change our prediction yet, but just remember that if we do see market try to bounce off either 73 cents, 72 cents, I would even say down to 71, like I said earlier, one of these 3 pockets, then we might have to get rid of this prediction, then play the market move higher in this cryptocurrency. So we're kind of like in a wait and see period. Okay, let me see what happened on the month though, because I know I'm about to finish the month of October. Okay, so this is a probable precursor strength. It simply means that for the month of November, we will want to see the price in Ondo close above this bar close for the month of October. If that occurs, then this tells us that for the month of October, that the majority of the trades were people more interested in buying this cryptocurrency than people trying to sell it. All right, so we have what, 4 more days before the month ends. So we'll see how the market concludes in the next 4 days, and then we'll play that longer term move to the upside or the downside. But right now, we're not going to change anything up. So we're going to extend this prediction over a little bit, give us a little bit more time to see this market rinse itself, and we'll see what happens from that point. All right, so that is it. I am finished. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.